Hello fellow creatives, let me hope we are well and good. So we are going to be animating something in Cinema 4D that is going to be a logo, and we have different images that we are going to be using, and I happen to have I'm going to be using a lower version of Cinema 4D. That is the one I'm going to be using. So if we try to get it where it is right now, it is here because I happen to get it somewhere here. Okay, so if I copy it and I bring it, I want to put it somewhere where I can unzip it properly, as you see, so that you may get the idea on what has to be done. Okay, so I name this AA so that it can come first, as you see it here. So I get it and paste it here. So now I unzip it. I decided to use Cinema 4D 14. Okay, I didn't want to go to like to new, so I unzip it. Okay, so there is not enough space. Let me first go back this side and like try to look on my local disk and create some space. I rub off these and I try to also slope down because I have some stuff that I no longer need, so I try to like put it off. Mm, Maybe I get this and properties. I first check the properties, then cut, and I shift them to maybe here so that I can create a space on my hard disk D so that I unzip the software properly so that I can install it. Um so since I've created some space, now I can install the software. Okay, replace that because I know it is already there. Um so you have to make sure that where you're unzipping the software from, you have enough space, because if you do not have enough space, then you won't be able to unzip it properly. So we right click because we now, let us first see, we now have enough space of 1 GB. I think it is enough according to the software. So we right click and say extract files here, then we put in our password. Okay, so have you seen? So it never like had to take us a little bit too far. So if I click on the setup, I accept their terms and now install it. So I go through their guide and I try to like read them through. This is brought to you, Tamlin, and the original patch was not created by me. It was So basically we are teaching, so that is why we are using this version, because I don't want to go to the latest versions because they are basically for buying, and right now I cannot like afford them to buy them. So after that we come to the key. Yes, are you sure you want to continue? Yes, the keys and the values contained in D. Okay, so let us open it and see whether we've done it the right way. So yeah, everything now is basically okay, as you see now. So we can go into it and start our modeling, our animating, everything we want, the lights, the flow, the bends, the different shapes that we can go around with, and everything. So before we like go through it, before we like continue like with animation, we have to first understand Illustrator, because the project we want to make is going to be first of all designed in Illustrator, then we bring it into what? Into Cinema 4D. So that is what we are basically going to be doing. Then from there, that is when we are going to be um, amplifying it or taking it to another level. So basically that is it. So thank you for watching, and stay around as we move through it, as we like get introduced to Cinema 4D, and we also come up with projects of our own and happen to get some incomes through the creative industry. So endeavor to see that you subscribe and stay part of this channel. So thank you for watching. Let us meet in the next part, where we are going to be starting to come up with our logo from images that we happen to get from our client. So this is Munya Scripts from Munya Scripts Lifestyle, and I would love to introduce to you some of my websites, okay, that you can go to and upload your content, okay, upload your digital content, so that you get you happen to sell them and earn, okay. So endeavor to visit them. um, if we go to latest, there is latest ugmusic.online, this one, then also latest ugmusic.com. So basically, if you visit these websites, you can upload your content like songs, PDFs, themes, any digital content that you're basically selling, and you can earn from them, okay. So endeavor to see that um, you join them so that you can earn, okay. You sell your content, when people buy it, you earn something. So endeavor to see that you join them. Then we have another one, that is latest UG music.xyz. So for this one, what you do, you like upload, okay, you upload a flyer to your business, okay, and I happen to create a code that you can use. I have been sharing it all over these videos that I happen to make, whereby you can use that code and pay nothing, so that you can put your directory or a flyer of yours, so that people can notice your business and call you, so that you provide your services that you can provide and earn, okay. So I'm just waiting to like deal with you, okay? So as you see it here, so this is its home, this is its package, as I was talking about the project that I'm yet to run. I think so this is it basically. So you can join the platform, okay, and that is it. So join now and start like selling your content. Okay, so listing packages. When you come here where you have to buy the listing packages, you just do not like you click on any, maybe this one. Then when you come here, I have several codes below each of these videos, and I happen to always share them. So when you come here, you just fill in this information. Then after that, you come and click this, okay? Whether credit card, whether PayPal, you click it, then you fill in the information and you happen to pay, okay? So you either fill in with a credit card as you see it here. So you fill in your information. When you happen to pay them, they give you free access to that. Or if you have a code, okay, so if you have a code and you put it here, let me give you an example here. So if I put my name, J, Isaac, company is optional, maybe MS manuscripts. So let's say that is my company. Then I put maybe Chivuli. Then apartment optional, then village, mosque zone, Kampala. Then maybe I also put my phone so that I'm to confirm. When the message comes, then also my email. Like that. Then when it comes to here where I'm to be like banking, okay, so I have a code. So I go here, then click here. So then I go back to this, I get this copy, or you go to any of my videos, because I happen to share these codes. So if you click on any of the videos on my channel, so if I talk of any of the videos on my channel, I mean, let us first play here, then we skip this advert. So I mean, when you like slope down here and you click on show more, so the moment you click here, then you go to this last part. As you slope down, I share these codes as you see here, so you can pay anything, okay? As you see, the 100% code is here. So when I copy this code, then I bring it, okay, so I bring it, so I bring it and come and paste it here, okay? So I paste it there like that. So I click apply code. So the moment you apply this code, it basically means that you are going to pay nothing, okay? So you get any package for free. So it is rolling. So it depends on your internet speed. My internet speed is a little bit slow. Are you seeing that? So when you press that coupon code was applied successfully, now the price is placed to what? To 0. Then you click press order. So I won't press because I'm already under this under this account, but I think you've happened to understand how you would go through it. So for any package, that is how you do it. So thank you for watching. Let us meet in the next video as we continue with our animation. Thank you for watching.